In this video, you will learn how to change your e-filing password. To do this, you will need to have a valid and active PAN and an existing e-filing password. Log into the e-filing portal using your user ID and current e-filing password. On your e-filing dashboard, go to your profile menu and click Change Password. On the Change Password page, enter your current password which is available with you, and then enter the new password which you want to update in the respective fields. Re-enter your new password in the Confirm Password field. Please note that according to the password policy, your new password should have at least 8 characters, and at most 14 characters, both uppercase and lowercase letters, at least one number, at least one special character. You can check the entered password by clicking on the Show Hide Password icon. Once done, click Submit to proceed. After your password is changed successfully, a success message is displayed. You will also receive a confirmation on your mobile number and email ID registered with the e-filing portal. Remember, it is a good practice to change your password at regular intervals for security purposes.